Hi there, welcome back to the HTML5 game development video course. We have created menu scene and game over scene in the previous videos. In this video, we create a head-up display to display the game score. Head-up display is also known as HUD. It is an user interface that contains game information that's overlaid in front of the screen. We will work on the HUD HTML part. Then, we add some styles to make the HUD overlay in front of the game screen. We need to allow Canvas mouse event clicking by disabling the HUD's elements pointer event. Then, we define functions to toggle the HUD visibility and update the game score. At last, we update the game score from the logic whenever the hero collects coins. Let's open the game project in Code Editor. Open the index.html file. In the file, we create a new div element next to the game over screen. It has a scene class and HUD ID. Inside the scene, there is a text containing the score, where we wrap the value with a span. We need to refer to this span in JavaScript to update the text content. Let's open the game.css file for some stylings. First, we want the HUD to has a transparent background, so that it doesn't cover the game screen and make the game invisible. We also want to change the HUD toggling by using fading instead of slide effect. We can do that by displaying the transform to change to use opacity. Then we override the transition to use the opacity property. Let's move the game es6.js file. In the Scene Manager class, in the constructor, we store the references of the HUD scene and the score text span element. We define the HUD toggling function, the show HUD function, and hide HUD function toggles the active class. We also define a function to set the game score. It changed the score text element by setting the text content. In the defined game over function and start game function, we toggle the HUD's visibility. We also reset the game score when the game starts. Whenever the hero hits the coins, we used to call the eatCoin function. We also update the game score inside this logic block. Let's save all the files and upload the game. When we test the game in browser, we should see a game score overlaying on the game screen. Clicking on the game should still works. We should be able to play the game and control the hero to jump over the obstacles. The game score fades out when the game over scene shows, and the game score fades in again when the game starts over. In this video, we display the game score on the screen. In the next video, we will decorate the entire web page.